Hi everyone, today we are going to be making rajas poblanas. The ingredients for this recipe are going to be 11 poblano peppers. We will also need 2 cups of sour cream and 1.5 cup of sweet corn. For this recipe, we will also need 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of milk. We will also need 1 onion, but as you can see, I already have mine cut into slices. You will also need 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese or any type of cheese that you like. Okay, now we're going to start toasting the poblano peppers. Okay, the poblano peppers are toasted and now we're going to put them in a bag. This way that they can steam out and they can be easier to peel. We're going to let them be in this bag for about 10 minutes. Okay, now that it's been 10 minutes or so, we're going to start peeling them and taking the seeds out. Okay, this is how they should turn out when they're already peeled and their seed is taken out of them. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go cut them in slices. Okay, these are ready now and we're going to go prepare the salsa that we're going to make with them. Okay, now we're going to add in about 1 cup of the rajas, but make sure that you save some for later. We're also going to add some sour cream. And we're also going to add in the milk. And we're going to add in the chicken bouillon. And we're going to mix. And now we're going to head over to the stove to prepare the next step. Okay, and here I've got a pan and I'm going to add some butter in it and we're going to mix it around. Okay, now we're going to add in the onion slices. And we're going to make sure that they're mixed. Okay, now we're going to add the other rajas that we had put aside. And we're going to add them and we're going to mix it evenly. Alright, now we're going to add in the sweet corn. And gently mix around. Okay, now we're going to add in the salsa that we made earlier, and we're just going to mix gently. Okay guys, the sauce has been cooking for about 5 minutes, and now we're going to add in the cheese. Okay, now we're going to let it cook for 5 minutes. Okay everyone, and that's how you make rajas poblanas. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you guys will try it. It's really easy, so I really recommend that you guys try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.